Hello guys and welcome to another with Zimaleta. Today I got some mail. So let's check it out. What did I get? Oh, I got something I've been looking for a while. This is from Ancestry.com. This is a DNA test kit. So come with me guys. Let's open it up. Come with me guys. Okay. I got two DNA test kits from Ancestry.com. One for me, one for my wife. Lately, my family have been checking the DNA and stuff like that, and turns out we're not Russian at all. We're actually Lithuanian. So I wanted to find out for sure where am I from and where's my wife from. And I think the best way to do it is through a DNA test kit. So let me show you how it's done. Hey guys, we decided to do this version in Russian and in English. This is my wife Agnesa. Hello everybody, I am Serge, and this is both of our kids here. It's my wife's and this is mine. I'm gonna open up mine first and explain exactly how you actually do this thing, because I think it's a little bit confusing a lot of times when you pick these things up, because you're technically not supposed to eat for a certain amount of hours or minutes. So we're actually going to get this thing straight. First of all, how do you open this box up? Okay, I see. This is a test kit, so it should like open up like a little box. Ancestry DNA. So a lot of people get a misconception what is actually Ancestry DNA, and people think it's kind of like they're finding out their family tree, and that's not so true. That's like a separate package that they have. This is really to find out what is your genes, what is your heritage, you know, where's your family members from, I guess. So first, let's take a look at this. It's a little handy dandy little thing. There is some kind of code in the back over here. Welcome to AncestryDNA. Simply complete the following steps and let the discoveries begin. Number 1, activate kit online. You will need to create an online account and password on Ancestry.com. You go to Ancestry.com/instructions. So you activate the kit online. It's safe and secure. Then you need to gather DNA, simple and easy. And this is what the kit is for gathering the DNA. So here it is. So let's see. Activate kit online. Step 1. There is a code on the actual kit. You'll need to actually locate this code somewhere here on the sample. And basically there's a first class box enclosed. And the kit is inside here. You need to basically make sure you save those numbers and activate it. So this is the collection bag. All right, so let's take a look. Okay, now this is the important portion. Step 2, gather DNA. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. That's the important part. Now, I heard people say 3 hours, 4 hours. I heard 30 minutes, and I wasn't sure which one is the truth, because 30 minutes is reasonable. Now, 5 hours, maybe you ate something, you know what I mean? So this is all good. We followed all the rules even beyond that. So here's what you do. Number 1, fill the tube with saliva to the blank wavy line. Fill the tube until saliva is not including bubbles. Right, so it's easy. That's less than 1/4 teaspoon. Do not overfill. So let's see what you have to do. Replace the funnel with the cap. Okay, so there's a little funnel that you spit into, and then you replace it, remove it and put a cap on there. Tighten to release stabilizing fluid. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. Place the tube in the collection bag. Mail your sample. So you will need to basically remove the funnel after you have placed your sample inside of the funnel, replace it with the cap, and place the tube inside of the collection bag, and then mail in your sample, basically. Just mail it. So this is it, so let's begin. So we open this up. This is a collection bag. We don't need to open it just yet because this is where we're going to place the sample. Here's the AncestryDNA kit. Inside, you could see a tube. And let's go ahead and open this thing up. Wow, this is interesting because I could see there's fluid in here. It says tighten, so this fluid actually releases. So supposedly this is some kind of fluid that actually keeps your sample, I guess, fresh or sustained or whatever. So here's that. And here's the collection tube, the funnel thing. So you just spit in here and so you fill it up. You fill it up till here, basically. Basically, it's kind of gross, but surprisingly easy. I have like no spit because I didn't eat nothing. I should be drooling like crazy. Okay, so now we've removed this, and then we go ahead and close this. So you put it tight, and now the fluid has drained, so you tighten it up till the fluid actually drains. So now you shake it up. What does it say, about 5 seconds? And now put it in the oven at 500 degrees and bake it. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. So this is the sample. It's obviously all done. So the very next step is stick it inside of this bag, but I haven't registered the kit yet, so I'm not going to put it in just yet. And then it's already addressed. Just stick it in here, glue it, stick it in your mailbox. That's it. They're going to pick it up. It's going to go to, to Ancestry, because you already technically paid for all this. So stick it all back.
Saw your picture